welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I'm just going to be using hot rollers today, which is going to be these hot rollers right here. If you are interested in this video and seeing how my hair turned out with these rollers, which this is basically how it came out right here. It's not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. I was just trying them out for the first time. I'm going to try to perfect my craft with using these and get them right. But if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. All right, so I am back. I got them off Amazon. I think they were about $40 or so. So I'm so excited to use them. My hair is freshly washed. Hot rollers, and I think you're supposed to let them sit for they say 20 to 25 minutes. So while they're sitting in my hair, I am going to be doing my makeup. So let's just get started on the unboxing. So they are right here. They are called the Remington Hot Rollers, I think they are. Space saving full size set of rollers. So, and this is a really cool box. Probably the biggest hair tool I have. This thing's pretty big. It's like they're kind of pink and purple, and it says it has advanced sensor, optimized heat for less damage, dual heated rollers and clips. So the clips are there to help them hold in your hair. 20 ceramic rollers in 2 styles, 90-second heat up. It has the clips there, they say, so that they don't crease in your hair and cause bends in your hair. The purple ones are the larger ones, and then the pink ones are the little bit smaller ones. Yeah, I'm so excited to use these. I feel like I might use them because it's not direct heat. I feel like I might use them. They do get pretty hot though. I did hear that just to be careful because they can burn your hand if you're not careful. They're not as much heat as using a curling iron on your hair, so it's not super hot heat. I'm hoping I get more of a curl. My hair has a lot of body now already, but as you can see, my bang has grown out so much right here. Just a little bit more of a curl. Let's take it out of the box here. I don't know what this thing is for. It's like a wraparound. Maybe that's where you put the cord, maybe. But here's the cord. And here's the top of it. It's like a clear thing. It has Remington right there and clear words. It's kind of hard to see, but and then you open it and here they are. I thought I saw hair in there. I was about to be like, hold up. Hold it. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, it's 9, 10, 11 purple ones, and then looks like the purple are the bigger ones, and then the pink ones looks like there's 8 pink ones. So plug these in. I have no clue how this works. I heard about hot rollers back in the day, so I think I'm going to try to just do this 90s blowout kind of look, because I just been feeling big hair. I hate flat hair, and my hair gets so flat. It'll look good the first day I do my hair, but then after that it gets so flat and I hate it. So I'm hoping this will definitely look big, give me big hair that I want. And yeah, I'm trying to get ready to do this. So I plugged it in. The cord is not that long, but I plugged it in and it has that red light on it. So I guess it's warming up. So we'll just let these warm up. And I'm gonna definitely make sure to use heat protect. I'm gonna use my Silk Infusion right here. And from what I know, with your hair, make sure to just leave them until they cool down. And I think I want to put the rollers going under, not over, because if you do it going, you can do it going over, but if you do it going over, it might give too much of a feathered look, and I definitely don't want all that. I want it to be under. It says rollers will be ready in 90 seconds. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for best results. For soft waves, curls, use the rollers only for a couple of minutes. For a tighter curl, leave the rollers in for 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm gonna leave it in for 20 minutes, or whenever I'm done doing my makeup, basically, is when I will take them out. But I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm so excited because I'm curious of how it's gonna look. The correct way to do it, and from what I've seen from looking at videos on YouTube, is like part their hair in the middle first, where my color is, kind of get the parted right there. I'm terrible at parting, so. Because I think I'm gonna do this part first, and then we'll go on with the sides. I'm trying to put this up here, but I'm leaving it on my bed. Off of here, this thing is so hot. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. It's very hot. Like, I feel how warm it is on the bottom, and it's very warm on top too. So, and we'll take I think you're able to hold on to this. This is the safe zone right here, because feeling just right here, you can feel heat. So I'm just gonna take that out, and I don't want to burn myself. So this takes a little bit of practice, definitely. So I'm gonna do it midway. Okay. Left-handed problems right now. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna, okay, wrap it around it. The actual thing, when I touch the black thing, it's not as hot as I thought it'd be. So it's more the sides that are pretty hot. Or maybe I should have used the big rollers in the middle. I don't know anymore. This is, okay, oh, hold on. Okay, this one works so much better. I'm very happy about that. Which that's why it's not direct heat, because if it was hitting the actual silver thing right here, that's where the heat is. And then if I can master it correctly, I'll probably do a short video on just like how to do it correctly. But as of right now, I have no clue what I'm doing. And I'm gonna get a pink one and do the top, because I want the curls to be tighter at the top. Okay, so here we go. Here's one side of my head. Like I said, I feel the heat a little bit. So that's 16, I think. I think it's 16 total. So, but here's my hair. And basically it warms up. You see where these silver things are? That's how it warms up the rollers. So there's some here. That's how it warms up the rollers, and that's what gets hot. All right, so I am back. I am done with my makeup, but yeah, it's been like 30 to 35 minutes, so definitely ready to take these out. Excited to see how they look. And like they say that the minimum you can keep them in 5 to 10 minutes, but the tighter you want the curl, the longer you want to leave them in. Let's go ahead and take them out. And I kind of take them, oh, I take them out the wrong way. Okay, so this one has a little bend to it. It could have been just the way I applied it, but I'm gonna try to just curl it that way. Okay, that looks a little bit better. I've seen people with tighter curls than this, but okay, some of these are just falling out. I wanted it a little more spiral, but I'll have to work on my technique with that. Give me a little bit of body at the top. Like I said, I don't have layers, so this will definitely come out better if you have layers. I don't have layers. It's all right. Okay, I'm back and I'm just gonna do my edges. I definitely do see it. I see the body. Use my my Rosemary Mint edge control right here. I still want to bump the front a little bit, but you can kind of see the body a little bit. Like when I took it out, I was like, I don't know. But once I brushed it out, I kind of see it now. It definitely did give my hair more body. I'm probably still going to bump the front of my hair. All right, but this is the final look. I did brush it out. So I wanted more of a curl because as you can see, my ends are not that curled. They do have a slight bump to them, but I did want more of a spiral curl. That was kind of my hope right here. But I will be practicing with these because I do feel like I just probably didn't put them in correctly. I would give it an 8 out of 10 just because I would say you don't really need these. They're not you have to have them or anything, because to be honest, I could probably get this same result with just like using some flexi rods. Like you can do probably an overnight heatless style and get this same look that I have in my hair. It's just more of if you're in a hurry and you don't want to put a lot of heat on your hair, this is a great alternative compared to using a curling iron. If you don't want to use a curling iron and use so much heat and you're in a rush, this will have your hair right in a good 10-15 minutes. All right, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share if you care. I hope you all have a blessed, amazing day. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Until next time, bye.